ladies, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to take your style to the next level? In 2025, we're embracing these small changes and ditching the style mistakes from previous years. With just a few tweaks, we can elevate our style to the next level and step out with confidence and grace. Are you ready for these changes? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about baggy jeans. Baggy jeans is a trend, yes, but for the younger crowd. Over 50, 60 and 70, baggy jeans have no place in our closet. So let's ditch this trend. Baggy jeans might feel comfortable, but they often lack structure and can make you look shapeless. Instead, opt for straight leg or slim fit jeans that flatter your figure without clinging too tightly. A dark wash jean is especially slimming and versatile. Pair them with a tailored blazer or a crisp blouse for an effortless, chic look. Remember, it's all about finding that perfect fit that skims, not clings. Next up, we have capri pants. I know capri pants are loved by some and hated by others. But in 2025, we are going forward and looking for elegant ways to wear an alternative to the capri pants. So here's some options. Capri pants can cut your legs off at an unflattering length, making you look shorter and less polished. Instead, try ankle-length trousers or cropped pants that hit just above the ankle. They elongate your silhouette and create a more modern look. Pair them with pointed toe flats or low heels for added elegance. Oversized pieces may be trendy, but they can easily overwhelm your frame and hide your shape. Instead of drowning in fabric, go for tailored pieces or slightly oversized styles with a cinched waist or structured details. A belted dress, for an example, highlights your figure while keeping you comfortable and stylish. Next up, we have oversized shirts and bottoms. While this might be a comfortable look for some of us, it can overwhelm your frame and make you look awkward and frumpy. So let's look at the solution. If you choose a flowy blouse, pair it with slim fit pants. If you are wearing wide leg trousers, opt for a fitted or tucked in top. This balance keeps your outfit looking intentional and sophisticated. Next up, we have the no makeup look. Yes, I know there are people that like to go out looking natural and it's their choice. But if you want to elevate your style ever so little, going out with the no makeup look won't do you any good. So here are some options. A completely bare face can sometimes make you look tired or washed out, especially as we age and our skin loses some of its natural vibrancy. You don't need a full face of makeup, but a little goes a long way. A touch of tinted moisturizer, mascara, and a pop of lipstick can brighten your face and enhance your natural beauty. Next up, we have outdated glasses and frames. Yes, ladies, just making a few tweaks can make a difference. Glasses are more than a necessity. They are a fashion accessory. Outdated frames can make you look older than you are. Consider modern, lightweight frames in flattering shapes and colors. Cat eye frames, for an example, add a touch of elegance, while subtle, bold colors can frame your face beautifully. Invest in a pair that makes you feel confident and stylish. Next up on the list, we have outdated jewelry. Heavy, clunky jewelry belong in the past. And here is why. Jewelry can make or break an outfit. Outdated or overly chunky pieces can date your look. Instead, opt for timeless and minimalist styles. A pair of gold or silver hoop earring, a delicate chain necklace, or a pearl bracelet are classic choices that elevate your outfit without overwhelming it. Number 8. Wearing all black. While some of us prefer to wear all black, for mature skin this can be harsh. So here are my suggestions. While black is chic and slimming, wearing it head to toe can sometimes look harsh, especially against mature skin. Add pops of color or texture to soften the look. A colorful scarf, a statement necklace, or a light cardigan can break up the black and add dimension to your outfit. Next up on the list is neglecting your hair. Yes, they all say your hair is your crowning glory. So as we age, keeping your hair neat and having it trimmed regularly or choosing a style that suits you is important to looking well put together. If you've been stuck in the same hairstyle for years, it might be time for an update. Consider a fresh cut or even a subtle color enhancement to brighten your look. Layers, soft waves, or a sleek bob can make a world of difference in framing your face and highlighting your features. And lastly on our list is outdated outerwear. Yes, stepping out in that old coat that you've got from back in the days will certainly not do you good. So here are some options. Outerwear is the first thing people notice, so don't let an outdated coat bring down your entire look. Swap boxy, shapeless coats for tailored trench coats, belted jackets, or chic wool coats. Neutral colors like beige, camel, or grey are timeless and pair beautifully with almost anything. Don't forget to accessorize with a stylish scarf and gloves for added flair. And there you have it, ladies. 10 subtle changes that you can make using outfits from your closet, because changing up your style doesn't mean going out and spending a whole lot of money. The treasures might lie in your closet. I hope you enjoy this style video, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed this, comment below, and subscribe for more fashion forward videos. Thank you for watching.